Drew was like, we are taking this out. And I said, are we? Adventure starts where the pavement ends. Let me just say, it's about the cookies. It's like we're in a wagon, but it's a Jeep. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. T-Stone approved. You guys are awesome. We are kicking off another great episode today. We are actually doing a road trip. But first, foremost, before we even get started into all the craziness, I do want to take a second and I want to stop and say thank you guys so much to each person that has reached out, who has shared, liked, commented, subscribed, everything. You guys are awesome. We started this crazy journey 3 months ago. I wanted to get back into it, and I had some troubles with YouTube back in the day. When they tell you don't read the comments, don't read the comments. But you guys have been awesome, leaving great comments. Thank you so much. We are kicking things off with a new episode today, and we are going on a road trip. Every time I'm in the Jeep, I feel like I'm picking up Drew from a random airport, and that's exactly what I'm doing today. Heading up to Flagstaff right now, picking him up at the airport. We are gonna go on this really cool road trip, northern Arizona, going to Utah. We're going to Colorado and make our way back. So I'm really, really excited about this. It's gonna be our honeymoon trip. Some of you guys know we got married back in February. We have been busy nonstop, so now we are taking the time to kind of go do this. And in the previous episode, I was telling you guys that I really enjoy cool history, ghost towns, speakeasies, really great food, and just kind of getting out in nature and seeing kind of like what's out there. So this episode and next episode is definitely going to be that. We're going to do a two-part for you guys, taking you through our honeymoon trip and showing you some cool spots throughout that you can also go to. And I hope you guys enjoy it. So picking Drew up at the airport, I'm excited to get this road trip started. Let's do this. All right, guys, so we are back again. I picked up a straggler. Oh, I almost hit the door. Picked up a straggler.
Howdy.
He's back. Also, pro tip, get you guys a man that gets you fuel. But I need to know, are you excited about this?
Absolutely.
Are you?
Yeah. Yeah, I've been at work since May 8th. It's currently June 4th. So yeah, taking a week and a half to go sit in the Jeep and camp and listen to rivers and hang out. Yeah, it's going to be way better than being at work.
Like I said, we stopped at Maverick. It is Adventure's first stop. Adventure. And America. And T-Stone first stop. So we're going to pick up some cool burritos. We are going to get some coffee, get some snacks, and hit the road. It's raining a little bit in Flagstaff. This is the perfect temperature. I'm excited. Hope you guys are.
It's the start of the Grand Canyon.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's neat.
Yeah. There's the Colorado River down there.
Oh, look at those people. Should we stop?
That's the old bridge.
That is?
Yep.
That's sweet.
He used to drive across. No.
Okay. Just gotta pee again.
You just saw it.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
Yeah.
So cool. All right, guys, so we finally made our first stop. We're at the Kaibab Plateau Visitor Center. There is Smokey the bear. What's up, Smokey? How are you doing today? High five to you. All right. Okay, so every time I come, I always want to get the little passport thing, so I actually think I'm going to do it this time.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, that's up to you.
That's up to
I want you to know there are all kinds of things now that people are doing.
Awesome, thank you. So it's these ones, right? Right here, this blue one?
Yeah, that's a little one.
Oh, but these are the ones you can sell today to me.
Yeah, that's
Perfect.
what I can sell you.
Awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Sweet. All right, let's do this. And then we get to put our little stamp. Super excited. And she was talking about these cute little travel stamps that you can start adding to them.
Yeah.
I think today's the day I get the passport. Drew, I heard you got some facts for me.
Not facts, just the fact that we went from 5,000 feet, which was where Glen Canyon is, Lee's Ferry. It's where you start your Grand Canyon adventures. That's actually the start of the Grand Canyon, right at the bottom of the dam. It's about 5,000 feet, and here we are 15 miles later, 20 miles later, and we're at 8,000 feet. So quite a bit chillier. That's a hummingbird. I think they're going nuts. That's so
Really?
cool. Yeah.
Oh, I see him. All right, he's gone. All right, back to your stories.
And this is actually how you get to the north rim of the Grand Canyon also. This is the intersection. Go to the north rim of the Grand Canyon or Kanta up in Utah. So this is also how you get to the Arizona Strip, which is the part of Arizona that's cut off from the rest of the state by the Grand Canyon. So a lot of cool stuff up here. I love coming up here. So that's why we're checking it out.
And I will show you guys in just a moment the real reason why I wanted to stop. You guys, let me just say, it's about the cookies. See what we got. So we got 6 of them. Snickerdoodle, ginger snap, some chocolate parfait, chocolate raspberry, s'mores, and cloud in a cloud. What do you think I should go for?
S'mores.
Seriously? It's all the way to the bottom. Is this it? All right. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
10 out of 10 would recommend. Because last time we got a dozen. This time we only did half a dozen. I'm kind of happy about that. But look at this. Chocolate, marshmallow, gooiness. Do you see that marshmallow? Yum. All of a sudden said, hey, there's this really cool road, let's go down there. And you guys, this view, I cannot believe. Or go up there, right, not down there, but up there. And this is why I absolutely love having this Jeep, because it's kind of like, hey, let's make a left-hand turn and we will see where it takes us. And this is where it's taking us. How neat.
These rocks probably look familiar to a lot of mountain bike enthusiasts because these are the different zones for the Red Bull Rampage.
Really?
Yeah.
So we stumbled upon it?
Yeah, like downhill mountain biking was made awesome in these hills for the Red Bull Rampage.
Wow.
Such a cool place.
You guys, look at this. So cool. And like I was saying, this is why I absolutely love having the Jeep. Such a cool feeling to be able to kind of go wherever. And I know it sounds cliche and you guys have probably heard it before, but adventure starts where the pavement ends. And this is proof. All right, so we made our way back down from that mountain, and I wanted to do something really kind of cool this time. We usually stay in hotels pretty much everywhere we go. So I wanted to stay in this really cool thing. We're kind of glamping tonight, and this is the tent. We're here at the Wildflower Resort. Super cool tent, outdoors, but the best thing about this, when you come in, look at this view. This is where we're gonna have coffee in the morning. Super, super cute. Drew's already made himself available for this view.
Trying to find Rampage.
Trying to find Rampage still. But we opened the door and look at this cute little glamping place. How adorable. So you've got a bed right here. You've got a couch. It does have a door that locks. You've got microwave, coffee maker, all of that. Really cute. Shout out Wildflower. Thank you so much. Look at how adorable this is. Then you come back here still. You've got a full setup for toiletries and everything. You've got the sink, mirror. How sweet is this? Your little shower. And then you can come around and pretty much be in the bathroom. It's so cool, so weird. I'm super excited for all of this though. So we are gonna get ready. We're gonna head into Springdale in just a little bit, have a really nice dinner. Check out this place that I wanted to go to. It's called Cowboys and Angels. Like I said earlier, I absolutely love, love, love speakeasies. And if you know me, you know I'm a big fan of old fashions. Probably had 500 different old fashions throughout my lifetime, but I am so excited to check that out. So we are going to make our way to dinner. I'm going to show you guys Cowboys and Angels. Like I said, it's right outside of there, outside of Zion. So this is so cool. And once again, oh, pull, Tiffany, pull, not push. Look at this view. I cannot get over it. So cool. So we made it to Springdale, and Cowboys and Angels is supposed to be in this place. Look at how cute it is. Oh, you've got the angel wings. Cute. Cheers.
Put them up, put them down. Oh, it's not a shot.
It's not a shot.
A classy establishment.
What's up, everybody? We are back, day 2, and guess where we're going into today? Zion National Park. And like you guys had seen yesterday, I got a new passport for all the national parks, so I'm pretty excited to kind of go do that. Drew's right there in line waiting. I wanted to come showcase where we're at, but this is awesome. I'm so excited to be here. We are gonna take our way, go through, see what's happening. It's a little cloudy today here in Zion, but I think it's gonna be beautiful. And what else is pretty cool is I have talked about Atlas Obscura before, and I have talked about how I really like the app and how it shows you really cool spots. So there's gonna be a cool spot. I'm gonna take you to it, let you know how you can get there, and show you guys what it's all about. Stay tuned. And then I can become a junior ranger. Plus, I add my little passport stamp. So this is the Zion Mount Carmel Tunnel. It's really cool. It was started in 1927 and finished in 1930, and it is 1.1 miles long. How cool. So it has 6 galleries or openings that provide light, fresh air, and glimpses of the fantastic scenery just outside the tunnel. Now, when you view this from the exterior, the galleries give testament to the imaginative design of the structure. And during construction, the galleries were used as a means of disposing tunneling soil into the valley below, which you guys can see right over here. How cool is that? Alright guys, so we finally made it. When we came out of Zion, we decided to still head up on 89, and we are here. It is a little bit north of Panguitch.
Yeah.
A little bit north of Panguitch, and what's kind of really cool is we are at the homestead of Butch Cassidy. So he lived here from when he was 14 to 18 years old. He was a super famous outlaw, and he was actually born Robert Leroy Parker, April 13, 1866. All right, guys, we are heading out of here and heading actually up to our friend Vance's house. He lives right by Salt Lake City, so we are gonna head there for the night in the next few days and then check out what Salt Lake has to offer, Park City has to offer. We're probably gonna go hiking in just a little bit during those few days, so stay tuned. We'll take you guys along with us.
A few minutes later.
All right, so we are just leaving Butch Cassidy's childhood home, and we found this like little trail.
It's the Butch Cassidy trail.
It's the Butch Cassidy trail, and Drew was like, we are taking this out, and I said, are we? And he says yes, so here we go. Are you sure? I don't think we can fit through there.
Why couldn't we?
Are we wide enough or too wide?
Find out.
No, I don't need to fix anything.
What are you gonna fix?
I don't know. Look at how cool this is. It's like we're in a wagon, but it's a Jeep.
Yeah, steel wagon.
How cool. Did you map this out, or are we just adventuring it?
I mapped it.
Oh, okay. Whew.